Good evening, class. My name is Luis Monserrat, and tonight I'm gonna talk about my test plan for my current project, the Movie Manager DMS. So, without further ado, let's get going. So, what is a test plan? A test plan defines the strategy and process for the testing of the software system. It ensures that all functionality is verified and errors are identified correctly and early, of course. Provides a roadmap for testing CRUD or CRUD, whichever you want to call it, operations and custom actions. And last but not least, it ensures that the Movie Manager DMS works as expected and it handles invalid input safety. Now, I would like to talk about my flowchart for the testing add data. So as you may see, this first and foremost, the user enters the movie information. Of course, the system validates whether all inputs are valid. For example, that the movie has to be from 1888 or newer than that. It cannot be anything before 1888, otherwise it will not go through. The rating that is in between 1 through 10, and the duration is greater than 0. If invalid, of course, it shows an error and it will stop. If valid, it will successfully add the movie to the system. And if confirms whether the movie already exists or not in the database, and whether the test will show either a passed or failed message. And this is for the remove data. So in this occasion, the user provides the movie ID. It makes sure that it validates whether the movie ID already exists or not. If it's not found, of course, it will show an error message. If found, of course, it will remove the movie and confirm whether the movie is no longer in the system. And of course, the test will either pass it or fail it, depending on what happened next, and that's how it ends. This one is for the update data. Of course, the user provides the movie ID and the new data, whether they wants to update whether the year, whether the rates, whether it is the duration. So it validates the new field, whether it's the year, the rating, or the duration. If invalid, it will show an error. If valid, update movie the record. So as long as it goes within the parameters that was set in the first place, it'll go through. And of course, it will drop a message saying that the confirmed data is being updated. And of course, it will test whether it passes or not. The input validation in the testing. So the validation is performed in every tested scenario. Prevents invalid data, as for example like strings where numbers are expected. Ensures that all the years, ratings, and within the durations are well stated. Invalid movie ID returns an error instead of crashing it, and it guarantees the program never crashes and always provides feedback. So to wrap this up, this test provides a clear roadmap for validating the Movie Manager DMS. Flowcharts illustrate test processes for add, remove, update, and custom actions. Each flow includes each flow includes input validations, positive and negative outcomes, whether it's inputted right or wrong. It ensures that the system is reliable, accurate, and user-friendly. That's the main goal. And the test plan will guide testing and ensures the project meets the requirements. I cannot wait to show you how it's gonna look when we start doing it, but it's a wrap up for this time. I'm looking forward to see you next time, and as always, have a good evening and thank you so much. Until next time.